If you're working with an old Summa cutter you've had since 2020 or before, let's look at some of the reasons why you should consider replacing rather than repairing, even if you aren't having any issues yet. Number one is gains in performance and reliability. With the Summa S1 drag knife cutters, you get higher cutting force and consistency. The newer S1 series can deliver up to 600 grams of downforce in 5-gram steps, allowing you to cleanly cut more demanding media, like thicker vinyl and reflective films. In addition, you will get improved tracking and accuracy with Summa's enhanced OPOS-X and OPOS Extra sensor systems. The new hardware and software reads registration marks more reliably and compensates for distortion, even through laminates. With a new cutter, you will also get a sturdier product. The redesigned rollers, sensors, pinch mechanisms, and chassis improvements reduce wear, maintenance downtime, and drift over time. These improvements translate into fewer failures, less rework, and more uptime, directly improving your workflow. Next reason is workflow and automation advantages. With the barcode and job automation support, the S1 supports barcode job recognition and tighter integration of print and cut workflows, reducing operator intervention and error. Keep your workflow running smoothly, no matter the project. The Summa S1 has improved media flexibility and greater versatility, allowing for more robust media, like thicker vinyl, reflective films, and more. These workflow upgrades allow you to handle a wider variety of orders more efficiently and with less manual oversight. And finally, future-proofing and competitive edge. Older SummaCut cutters may lose access to updates, parts support, or compatibility with software and operating systems upgrades. When you invest in a new Summa S1, you'll have access to all the latest support software and any other updates. Also check out our ROI calculator to see how reduced waste and higher throughput can impact your bottom line. The incremental cost of the upgrade is minor compared to your gains in output, reduction in waste, fewer rejects, and lower maintenance over time. When you upgrade from an old SummaCut to a Summa S1, you get precision, higher performance and robustness, especially on challenging media, faster, smoother, more automated workflow with less human error, longer lifespan, lower maintenance burden, and better future compatibility, as well as improved competitiveness and customer confidence. Don't waste your time or money with old equipment. Contact us today and ask how you can trade up to a new Summa S1 Series cutter.